Once upon a typical Tuesday morning, in the small town of Brooksville, lived a young woman named Emma. She was an ordinary yet extraordinary soul, with a heart full of dreams and a spirit ready to embrace the day. As the sun peeked through the curtains, painting her room in a warm glow, Emma began her journey through the day. Morning routine *. Emma's day started with the gentle chime of her alarm clock. Rolling out of bed, she stretched and greeted the new day with a smile. Her first stop was the cozy kitchen, where the aroma of freshly brewed coffee filled the air. Breakfast was a delightful mix of Greek yogurt, berries, and a sprinkle of granola, a perfect start to fuel her day. Workout energizer *. Eager to infuse energy into her morning, Emma laced up her running shoes and headed to the nearby park. The rhythmic pounding of her sneakers against the pavement mirrored the beat of her favorite playlist. The crisp morning air and the rhythmic sunrise served as the backdrop to her invigorating run, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Workday hustle *. Dressed in smart business casual attire, Emma made her way to the office. As a marketing specialist, her workdays were a blend of creativity and strategy. Meetings, brainstorming sessions, and collaborating with her team filled her schedule. Emma's desk was adorned with a succulent, a pop of green amidst the organized chaos of her workspace. Lunch with colleagues *. Midday brought a welcome break from the bustling work environment. Emma joined her colleagues for lunch at a cozy nearby cafe. Laughter and camaraderie filled the air as they shared stories and indulged in delicious salads and sandwiches. It was these moments of connection that made the workday brighter. Afternoon productivity *. Post-lunch, Emma dove back into her tasks with renewed focus. The hum of the office, the clickety-clack of her keyboard, and the occasional ping of incoming emails became the soundtrack of her afternoon. As deadlines approached, Emma thrived in the fast-paced environment, turning creative ideas into compelling marketing campaigns. Post-work relaxation *. As the workday drew to a close, Emma treated herself to a bit of post-work relaxation. A hot cup of herbal tea and a good book provided the perfect escape. The living room, adorned with vibrant throw pillows and soft blankets, became her haven of tranquility. It was during this quiet time that she could unwind and recharge. Creative pursuits *. Emma was not just a marketing professional, she was also an artist at heart. In the evening, she embraced her creative side by working on a canvas, splashing colors in rhythmic patterns. Painting allowed her to express herself freely, and the canvas became a visual diary of her emotions. Dinner delights *. Dinner was a delightful affair. Emma enjoyed experimenting with recipes, turning simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Whether it was a hearty pasta dish or a nutritious stir-fry, the kitchen was her canvas, and the stove her brush. Evening stroll *. The day wouldn't be complete without a leisurely stroll through the quaint streets of Brooksville. The evening breeze played with Emma's hair as she meandered through the neighborhood, exchanging greetings with familiar faces. The town's charm, accentuated by twinkling streetlights, never failed to soothe her soul. Nighttime rituals *. Emma's nighttime rituals were the final act of her day. A warm shower, a few moments of reflection, and the soothing notes of her favorite lullaby playlist prepared her for a restful night's sleep. The moon, a faithful companion, watched over her as she drifted into dreams, ready to embrace another day of adventures in Brooksville. In this small town, Emma's days unfolded like chapters in a book, each filled with ordinary moments that painted the canvas of her extraordinary life. And so, as the night settled over Brooksville, Emma awaited the next sunrise, eager to continue her journey through the tapestry of her days.